baby, turn it up.
TyMoneyy.
Okay.
That boy trying to get that number, dog.
Oh no, he mad. Okay. Okay, had a cross leg. Okay, okay.
After he get that number, we finna play.
Okay, okay.
Get that game going.
Okay.
What's good,
TyMoneyy.
YouTube? Welcome back to another video. That guy, y'all just saw me recording, is the guy I'm about to play. You know, that boy trying to get that number real quick. But once he come back, you know, we're finna get that ones going. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah, man, this is week 2, you know, and your boy trying to keep that consistency going. So we just gonna roll with it, man. That boy's still over there, bro. He's still over there talking to her.
It's crazy, yo. It's been like 4 minutes already.
It's been like at least like 3:30 over there.
3:30?
He just earned a whole new level of respect from me. I ain't gonna lie.
That boy's still talking to her, dog.
5 minutes, bro.
Damn.
No, but she was cool. No, she was. How old are you?
Damn.
Bro. I should have lied to her. I should have lied to her, bro. The whole interaction was 5 minutes from walking over here to back. Bro, I got her IG. I was trying to get the number, but she was like, nah. What's her gram? I want to see you. Wow, that's perfect.
So what's the verdict? Who you think's gonna win?
Honestly, I think you gonna win 9 from the count.
Me?
Yeah.
I got LeBron. Yeah, I got LeBron.
Me?
Sorry, bro.
Nah, he said that in the game.
Bro, I don't think you are before you
Bro, I might hit his mom in the game. Bro, come on,
How you thinking, bro? How you finna play?
I gotta be confident in myself, bro. It's me against you. I'm gonna win, bro.
Exactly.
I
feel that.
I'm gonna compete, bro. I'm gonna compete.
All right.
You got YouTube, bro?
TyMoneyy.
Yeah. Oh, bro, you got YouTube? Yeah.
Oh, you can't shit with Jazz Beats, bro.
All I post is like basketball. Bro, you shouldn't get noticed by like Nick Friends or fucking AMP or some shit like that. Go fly out to LA and go. Yeah, dreads, bro.
Damn, Dreadhead.
Games 1s and 2s, first 1 to 12.
TyMoneyy.
2-0. Yeah.
That's too far, fam. I know, but it's cheap, man. I get you, but I don't got no bike, fam. Bad rim out.
TyMoneyy.
Yeah, I've been crazy.
You gonna hurry find a pedal with you on that, like, man, let me ride it, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah. 3-4.
3-4, y'all. 3-4.
TyMoneyy.
3-5, 3-5.
You're in the game. Who like your shorty was watching, man? Okay.
4-5. 4-5 shots.
Oh.
That came off weird, you know it. Getting exhausted.
Damn, I hate. TyMoneyy.
Nice. 6-4. Nice. Good D.
Hand in a cookie jar.
Chicken strips.
Your hand in a cookie jar. Not trying to steal.
TyMoneyy.
Nice. Not
That's
8, 8, 8,
8-4.
8-4, 8-4.
Oh, good move.
5, 8, 5.
Where'd all the time go? Oh, no,
I would have went for a floater. That's the D.
Oh. 8-4. Oh, 8-5, 8-5.
$10-5.
10-5. 10-5.
You a soldier, so we should have made that. Get in your face.
Oh! That would've been hard.
My bad.
Scoot up so I can get from the camera.
Game. Oh. Yeah, go ahead.
I got you.
Oh, you just gave me a relief, man. My hand.
What you gotta say, mid-game? What you gotta say, man?
My leg's tired, bro. I gotta do this shit, bro. We competing, bro. Like I said, we competing.
played hard, you know. He was hitting them threes. I thought it was gonna be more of a back and forth game, but our boy came out firing. So, you know, props to him, man. Hey, man, come over here, man. How you felt you played, man? Good shit, by the way.
Yeah, no, for real. Good shit, bro.
This man came out firing, man. Like I said, so you know he got a good shot on him.
I like your midi. That shit nice, loose fix. It got my legs tired, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
It was good, bro. For real. I respect the game, though.
Appreciate you, man.
For real.
Good shit, though.
Respect the game.
All right, well that's it, man. Appreciate
Let
you.
me get
dog.
that YouTube, bro.
TyMoneyy.
All right, for sure.